Yo, Brian here. So, my Whirlpool fridge has been making a really high-pitched, annoying squeaking noise lately. And I was able to fix it very easily and for free. Let me show you. So I think the noise is coming from this fan. Yeah, I can hear it. Yep. Before trying to replace it, I just cleaned it really well. Wiped down the fan blades, and while I was in here, I went ahead and vacuumed and cleaned out all the dog hair and dust that's collected throughout the years, as you can see. Now I'm going to spray WD-40 just right there on that rod where the fan and the motor connect, because that's what's been making the squeaking noise. Hey, no more squeaking. The fridge has been running for a little over an hour now, and the squeak is completely gone. I hope this helps somebody. Thanks for watching.
Yo, Brian,